Ever wondered why some people grow their wealth effortlessly while other people, even after earning an handsome amount, struggles every month? Well, it all comes down to finance. So hey guys, if you are new to my channel, my name is Aman, and in my channel I break down financial concepts into every simplest way possible. So if you are someone who is pursuing their career in finance or wants to learn more about the topic, then I believe that this channel might help you. Now in our today's video, we would be breaking down the basics of finance. Now without wasting any further time, let's start the today's video. The term finance might sound a bit complicated, but it is much more easier than it seems. So what is finance? So finance in simplest words refers to the management of money in an efficient manner, and it includes everything, be it earning money to saving money to investing money. And however, the one interesting part about it is that consciously or unconsciously everyone has practiced finance, be it a kid who is saving up for his expensive chocolates or an adult who is saving up to buy a new home. Now moving on to the types of finance. So there are three types of finance: personal finance, corporate finance, and public finance. So what is a personal finance? So personal finance is all about an individual, like how an individual manages their money, earns money, saves money, invests money, or how they budget, etc. For example, an adult saving up enough cash to buy an expensive cell phone. Now second is corporate finance. So corporate finance is all about how a corporate manages their money. For example, a company raising their capital or company investing in their future growth prospects, etc. Now third is public finance. So public finance is all about the government, like how government manages the money for the betterment of the public, be it collecting taxes or investing in education or providing healthcare facilities are all example of public finances. Moving on to the last part of the video, like why is finance important and why should a person practice finance? So number one is efficient management of money. So finance basically enables a person to manage their money efficiently. It makes them more aware like where their money is going, and it allows them to cut their unnecessary expenditure. Now second is making informed decision. This current world is all about data and numbers, and with the help of finance a person can make informed decision. Let's take an example. A person starts budgeting from the next month, and he notices that there are certain expenditures that he can cut easily and that are not useful for him. So all he can do with the help of finance. Now the third point is financial freedom. Now in the first 2 points we have talked about how to manage money and how to budget. Now it is the third point where the game changes. It helps us to understand the power of compounding and how we can attain financial freedom with the help of investments. So there are different types of investments, be it in stock, gold, bonds, or real estate, which an individual might prefer according to their different risk appetite, and it helps an individual to grow their wealth effortlessly and exponentially if done right. Now let's just do a quick summary. So in today's video we have learned about that finance is all about managing your own money efficiently. Number two, there are three types of finance, which is personal finance, corporate finance, and public finance. And lastly, it enables an individual to be more aware of their expenses and also helps them to attain financial freedom if practiced right. If you found this video insightful, then I would appreciate if you just like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more finance related content. However, in my next video we would be talking about the concept of time value of money. Till then, see ya, stay tuned.